Hello everyone and welcome to my technique video. I'm Joy from the Denver, Colorado area here in the United States, and I'm going to be using a fabulous new product from the mini catalog for January to June 2022. I'm going to be using it in a way that you may not expect. It is on page 52 and 53 of this mini catalog. So as you can see, it comes with a great stamp set and then the slim card dies. So if you get it as a bundle, you do save money, but I am going to be using this technique with the slim card dies. You can also get envelopes to go with this as well. So I don't know how many of you have hopped onto the slim card craze, but we are going to be doing a background using the dies today. The slim card dies come in a package where you have two of these dies that do an intricate overlay over your card, and then you have these little edge pieces that go on your card. I'm going to be using this one today. Lift up our die, and then you can see the beautiful stenciling that we've done. You're going to wash this under warm soapy water to get all the ink off, but you will use this as a very nice background on another card. So stay tuned and you'll see what I did with this in another video. Until next time, bye.